In MySQL, we have three types for storing numbers with a decimal point. We have the decimal type, and this is useful for storing fixed point numbers. These are the numbers that have a fixed number of digits after the decimal point, like monetary values. When using the decimal type, we need to supply two arguments, precision and scale. The precision specifies the maximum number of digits, and this can be between 1 and 65. The scale determines the number of digits after the decimal point. For example, with decimal of 9 and 2, we can store a number with a maximum of 9 digits. We have 2 digits after and 7 digits before the decimal point, okay? Also, this decimal type has a few synonyms. They are dec, numeric, and fixed. These are exactly the same. So just stick to decimal and keep things consistent. I mentioned these synonyms in case you see them in databases designed by others. We also have the double and float types, and these are used in scientific calculations. If you want to perform calculations with very large or very small numbers, you should use these types. Just remember, these types don't store the exact value, they use an approximation. That's the reason they allow us to store really large or really small numbers. Float takes 4 bytes, double takes 8 bytes, so obviously with double we can store larger numbers. So if you want to work with exact values like monetary values, you should use the decimal type. If you want to work with really large or small numbers in scientific calculations, and the precision is not important, you should use float or double.